Akipa kwakare, akare, akukwa kepa. Inde bosikwana, diwanyi weru teluku. Wo, akamosia, kado soso. Yame, I want to do my gajato. Never do, ejije, nkai poro, diwanyi teluku. Ikunu lele, egenti, kachuku gozi unu.
Hey! Agini! What is it? Shut up your mouth! Don't you know that in our Igbo land you did not announce the death of someone like that? Are you stupid? Shut up! So you can share about what? Treat your father for me, what did you say?
Hello. As you all know that our brother Sundu is dead, may so rest in peace.
My brother, Sakuna Holaya Munekobuya. Akuna Holana, Mazio Kaf. I know ever.
Always empty here. He is always late. Late from every time here. Have to wait for one. But anyway, we're not going to wait for my brother, if I am to suggest anything here, I suggest that we contribute 10,000 and do this barrier within a month's time. There was traffic on my way. When I was coming in, I overheard Master Delago's contribution. My people, our people said when a woman with a pink uterus loses her husband, the burial is always lost. Okay, Kenta, I know I must have spoken your mind. If I am to suggest, I suggest me personally, I will donate 100,000 to this burial. Nkechi, come and take note to make sure that this burial takes place in the week time. So I will Kuchela Nkechi to show you how serious I am. I will call my accountant. Oh. Hold on. Okafor, how many times did I call you? Quiet. I am suspecting you. Hey! Hello! Hello, yes, you took Okafor. Accountant. My brother. Hello, accountant. Him there.
We let him want to get out. Accountant. Thank you.
You'd not even put it like 5,000 naira.
I said it.
For
my brothers, I said it.
You said what?
This man is a suspect.
On your police.
You are suspecting.
We are suspecting.
Why are you always suspecting me? I know you are jealous, but this is my entitlement to Coachella in the city. It is my entitlement.
Be calm. We came here to plan on giving our brother a befitting burial. You are here talking rubbish.
Exactly my point. That was what I was saying. Before Masu they started misbehaving because it did not occur to him that, hey, be quiet. I'm making a statement. It did not occur to him that after this burial, I will possess my possession. Okafor, I did not insult you. You see, he's always insulting you.
Two of you should calm down.
If not because of the cup on your head, I would have called you a fool.
A fool?
He's a fool.
Oh!
Brothers, no, please.
He's calling us here.
You all here and mad.
How?
All of you are
mad.
This man called us mad.
You shall see. Oh! Yes.
It's like he's the one that killed Mazi Okeke. It's like, hey!
ụbọchị a na-amụ.
Ewo. Anụrụ m na Maazị nwoke nwunye ya nwere Otele Ugwu anwụọla. And I know that his brother, that man kpọrọ onwe ya nwanne ya nwoke. Ebe kụchiere that man anya adịghị ya mma. I know. I know that. I know.
I want it. How is they becoming this kind of person?
Ndiche, unaberela?
Yes, sir.
Very much. Ndiche, acha abịala. Ndị Igbo si agụ ụzọ agụ ọnụ. Yes. Gwa Ndiche na-agọzi ọjọọ. Anyị na-ata ọjọọ, anyị ga-akọta ogologo ndụ. Ise. Anyị ga-akọta amamihe. Ise. Arụ isi ike. Ise. Ọ ga-adịrị anyị ma na-eke ọrịa afọ na nkwọ. Ise. Ndiche, akwa na ọchị. Ichie Obe, achọrọ m ka ịgwa ndị ichie ihe njisi ka anyị ebe aka.
Igwe, ndị ichie ekele m ọkụna ọbụla ya nwere okwu ya. Maazị Okafọ, every time he is always coming here. He is never early. Thank you, my brother. You should know that. He is always late. But guess what? We are not waiting for him. Carry on. Ndị ichie, the Igwe called us here today because of Okafor's report.
What a kind of man would focus on his brother's wife instead of giving his brother a befitting burial.
Wonder shall never end.
Oh.
Let us rush. Really, I know that Masuda will be saying nonsense, thinking that I will not come for the meeting. I will surprise him.
For the benefit of each Ichie na-ekwe
Igwe.
Thank you.
Ichie Okafọ, achọrọ m ka ịgwa ndị ichie ihe njisi ka anyị niile ụzọ bịadata. Ichie Okafọ, aga iwu.
Igwe, as you all know, my brother Okechukwu died last week. And as his registered next of kin, it is my entitlement to Coachella Nkechi.
Obiakwe entitlement.
But Nkechi here is proving stubborn. And my own mother here are acting funny about it. Igwe. As I asked for the burial to be rushed, but they refused.
Go for peace.
Maazị Okafọ, ka m jụkara gị, why do you want to rush the burial?
Igwe, our people say when a woman with the big uterus loses her husband, the burial is always rushed. Yes.
Ichie Okafọ, Morocco favor.
Just calm down and be a man.
Igwe, I'm sorry. Igwe, I only want to assist her as a marshal. And for the sake of my late brother's son, Okechukwu, who is studying electrical engineering abroad. Even though we understand fully the need of having more children of my late brother. But the gentle son of Okechukwu, my brother, rest in peace.
Ichie Okafọ here is a very unrelaxed Ichie. Okilara. This man is not supporting anything. He is after that. He wants the backyard.
Ichie Okafọ, Utu, he chọrọ ka anyị mere gị.
Igwe, God bless you. Igwe, may you live long. I want the council of elders here to declare me one and only next of kings. So I will Coachella Nkechi.
Thank you.
You are very stupid. You are mad. Useless. You are man.
She will go home.
Igwe, my entitlement. This man is playing with my entitlement.
Okafor, just be a man and calm down. Okafor.
You know, all of you know our brother spent a lot. In marrying this woman, he spent a lot. We all escorted him where he gave them 100 tubers of yam.
Oh, even though.
A ladies machine.
God bless you.
Another thing now.
His brain is working. My brother, listen to me. Let me tell you something. Our late brother did all those because of love. Love. Keep quiet. All those things he did has nothing to do with Mazu Okafor here.
Mazu, keep quiet.
Keep quiet. This is what they call love 120. My brother,
you will titi. Ude, calm down. Throwing more light on this. I'm beginning to give into what Okafor here is saying. No matter that I don't like him. Our brother.
Mazi okay. Don't say that again. In fact, Thunder for Bogi. He came up from one day. Thunder for Bugagi. How many people could Bugagi? You are very stupid man. You are useless. I don't know why they made you an idiot. Because you are foolish.
All of you should come.
You are stupid.
But I'm surprised that how you think a young girl like this and an old man like you will get along together. It doesn't make a choice now.
Jesus wept. Where is this animal coming out from?
My brother, I'm not the baby.
Where are you standing? Are you a chameleon? Thank you. Are you stupid? Let me make this clear. Anybody that wants to play with my entitlement, oh, my cap is falling down because I'm angry. I will kill. I will destroy.
He is indirectly telling us that he is doing something fishy and cunning. My brother, I am starting to know them.
You are a very stupid man. Right from time I knew that you are mad.
Igwe, I think we should conduct an election between me here and Okafor. Yes, Igwe, I support Mazi Ode. Igwe, if I'm to say something, I will suggest that we conduct an election between Mazi Okekenta, and Mazi Okafor. You are mad. You are very stupid.
Come and sit down there. Conduct with election.
Thank you.
Are you stupid? Excuse me. If I'm sorry, my entitlement to conduct the election. Are you stupid?
Nkechi. Eleghị nwere ikwu maka ihe a Okafor.
Thank you. After money my lecture back, I would like to return to my father's place since Obina my adopted son is not around.
Mom, you could tell my sister. You are going home.
Shut up!
What do you owe your Yes! This man now coming here.
Okay.
Will they keep quiet?
Okay.
Nkechi, without this bruhe at your back, what you then? In the check, I'm trying. Are we going to let this waste just like that? No, it is not wasting. It is going back to that.
You are very stupid.
You are mad.
Okafor. Ihe ga-eme n'ụwa na nwoke ọbụla Nkechi si na ya ga-anọ. Mana ihe nwere ike ịgbago wụ ị ga-aga lie nwanne gị nwoke.
Igwe excuse. Igwe remember. Ihe abụọ bụ mba na mba. Igwe, I know that you are angry with me. Igwe, but remember. Ihe abụọ ga-erumu. This is my entitlement. I will get room. Away the Roma Kasika Rania. Impossible. Because never can join this man. Don't you have a wife? Are you not married? Thank you. Go home and meet your wife. Go home and meet your wife. Did you hear that? Did you see that? Okay, can't I hear? It's also eyeing Nkechi's bro. He did that, you know. As for you, Nkechi, is it that me? You will see, Nkechi
your bruhe or
My brother, he got one. You can't fire you.
sit down with that.
Okay. Nkechi, elekwana nwoke nwoke Obinna.
That's good. Yes.
I have informed Obinna, my son. In fact, he's on his way coming.
On his way to come and do what? Let's
You will go. Let us hear what you have to
come
say.
and carry
Yes,
her. He's coming. Yes. Hey yo,
Igwe, on my way here, I heard Mazoka from my mom.
Yes.
You got me? You got me? I heard Mazoka from my mom.
Okay.
No, Igwe. Mazoka for here is a trick. See, back in UK, people like him, we call them tricks. Yeah? Tricks. Tricks.
Hey! How about that?
Look, see,
It's like they approach that they sent it to that electrical engineer. You let her to insult somebody.
I don't. He doesn't know his elder.
He doesn't have respect. He's calling us our relations.
what? Look, Igwe, see, I just came back from abroad. Take over my bag. Igwe, look, see, I got something for you guys. Look, this is called solar energy. Solar energy. Solar energy.
Solar legacy.
Energy.
Gas school.
Energy.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Look, Igwe, look, I brought this all the way from UK. I know how I got it. See, don't let Mazoka take over my mom. Because if we don't, see, Igwe, look. See, I'm very angry about this. I'm very, very angry about this. But anyway, I got this for you guys. You guys will go.
Witchcraft launcher. This is witchcraft. This is witchcraft.
This is technology.
See, I brought this all the way from UK just to give it to you. And I want you to please let Mazoka stay with my mom. Please, tell him to stay with my mom. You go, do you want it?
Stay off.
You
Stay off.
keep walking. You want? Get.
Akula question apa? Asena watu aka. Awapo aka na wanofa tumia waka mat. Unide. Kaile bai ano medala kandibo. Ikadase koma. Beti kwa